There you see her, sha-la-la, sitting there across the way, sha-la-la. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl. Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. Kiss the girl. It'll take a word, not a single word. You gotta kiss the girl. Sing with me now. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, oh my, look like the boys who shine. You gotta kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? It ain't too bad. We gonna miss the girl.
You know, I really ought to know your name. Maybe I could guess. Alexandra? Annabelle? Beatrice?
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel? Ariel. Yeah, that's kind of pretty. Okay, Ariel.
Sha-la-la-la-la, go along and listen to the song. The song say, kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la, the music play. Do what the music say. You gotta kiss the girl. You gotta